This is a case of a dense corneal scar that we are addressing using laser corneoplastic principles. I first removed the epithelium to study the scar. We now follow with very fast movements, superficial, so not to damage the cornea, and yet at high speed to remove this scar from the underlying cornea. After completing this step, we will again study the scar, as you can see here, central and dense, and now prepare for the excimer laser in a PRK mode, as you can see here in the photoablation process. Application of mitomycin C, followed by application of balanced salt solution to completion. Thank you.